Hi, dear MSA1 staff. Upon request, I'm recording this video to show you how to set up your Mac to be able to print from Anakin, the printer in Teacher's Lounge in the high school building, second floor. All right, so first thing, there are several things you need to consider. You might have updated your MacBook and then the version has been updated. That might be the reason you're not able to print. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on Chrome, all right, and I'm gonna start it from beginning. So we're gonna go on Xerox website. You can just type Xerox. Just go on the website. On the Xerox website, you want to click on support and drivers. And from there, you need to look up the model of Anakin, which is D95A. So that's the model. All right. D95A. Wait a second. Let me refresh this page. So it's D95. So this is the model you want to look. You see D95. And after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on drivers and downloads. So here, this is the menu I need because I'm able to pick the platform. So you need to pick the appropriate platform. If you're not sure what your platform is, you can click on this Apple icon on the left upper corner and then click on About This Mac. It is going to show you your platform. So mine is Sequoia. Let me, all right. So let me close this again. So mine is, as you can see, Sequoia, okay? And then, so I'm gonna pick the Sequoia, Mac Sequoia. I know some of you have Ventura, some of you have Monterey. So if that's the case, pick the appropriate platform. So I'm gonna go with Sequoia. And then you are going to pick let me see. I think it's gonna be this one. And then category is drivers. I want to click on apply the filters. So in that case, it's gonna give me probably only one driver. And then this is the one. Let's double check. Okay, and then you're gonna click on agree and download it. After you guys download it, you have to install it. So double click on the driver and it is going to give you this installation menu process. So this is very important. So you see introduction, licensing, we'll click on continue. You're going to agree. All right. You might ask your password several times in this process. So as you can see, it's asking mine. So you're going to click on your password. Put in your password and then it's going to proceed further. And then there is a few more things you need to consider before you complete installation. So you have to select the printer. All right. Your printer is Anakin. So this is the one. All right. This is for middle school. So we're going to go with Anakin, continue, and then we continue. Now we're not done yet. At this point, it's gonna ask you to, if you wanna remove the thing, you can keep it or you can move to trash. It doesn't matter because we used the driver already. So the next step is now we still need to do a few things, all right, to be able to print. Now I'm gonna go on a sample page. Let me open a new docs.new Google document. All right, let's say test page. Let's say I want to print this page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on print. Okay, when you do print, you should be able to pick the destination, which is Anakin. If it doesn't show up, click on see more, and then you're gonna see it here for sure. So it's called Anakin D95. All right. We're not there yet, so we're gonna click on more settings and then scroll down, and we need to open this print using system dialog. This is important. In there, you have to pick your printer again. I know it's a lot of work, but that's the way it works, unfortunately. So you're gonna click on printer, you're gonna pick the Anakin again, and then from here, you're gonna have an option under printer options, you're gonna have Xerox features. So you click on Xerox features, and from there, you will want to choose, click on this menu, go to advanced. From advanced, you want to scroll down, click on accounting. Under accounting, you are going to put your 4-digit PIN code that you use to print from the printer. All right, you do it only one time, let's say, and then you click on OK, and then click on OK. At this point, I suggest you guys to save this setting so you don't have to do it every time. To be able to do that, you're going to click on default settings, and you're going to click on save current settings as preset, right? Give it a name, my setting, or you can say prints fine, and then you click on OK, and then you click on print. This is gonna pop up. As you can see, the password is already there and it's gonna print. All right, now I'm gonna try it again. So Control P, picking the Anakin. All right. So go here. You see, the printer hasn't been chosen. That's why it's not gonna print if you don't do this process. Every time you have to do it. Anakin, check the last setting I did. Prints fine. Press on print, and voila, it's gonna print. All right. Thank you very much. I hope it's going to be helpful.